Assalamualaikum and hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing well and I hope that you're staying at home. I know it's been a while since the last time I posted my very last tutorial, and honestly I miss talking to everyone. I miss talking in front of the camera. I miss communicating with all of you through my tutorials. So since Hari Raya is approaching, I think it will be a perfect time for me to post a new tutorial which is believed can be styled during Hari Raya. So in case you're wondering, I'm using my very own hijab. I'm just using whatever that I have at the moment because I left almost all of my hijabs in Shah Alam. The material of this hijab is chiffon. I believe it's chiffon, and the length is 2 meters. I guess so. 2 meters, yes. It's not necessarily for you to use the exact material as what I'm using in this tutorial. You can use whatever hijabs, whatever shawls, whatever materials that you have, because worry not, the styles that I'm going to show later on can be styled by using any kind of material. So just use whatever that you have. Okay? Clear? As usual, if there's anything that you would like to ask me, do not hesitate to leave your comments down below because I will definitely read and reply to your comments. Or you can straight away go to my Instagram and we can have a chit chat there as well. I'll link my Instagram down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. I hope that you'll enjoy this tutorial as much as I do. I think that's it. Without any further ado, let's just jump into the video.